All right, we are back. Fun Food Friends continue here on A Cup of Joe, and it's time for the star ingredient. Today, it's brought to you by the folks at Quaker Oats. And Quaker Oats has launched a brand new version, which is gluten-free. Today, Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles is using the old-fashioned to make a pizza-like something. It looks like a pizza.
It is a pizza.
It smells like a pizza.
It is a pizza.
It is a pizza.
Yes.
It's a Quaker Oats pizza.
Yes.
That's what it is?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, what did you do with the people Quaker Oats?
Well, I decided I was not going to make oatmeal cookies.
Right.
No oatmeal porridge.
Right.
So what I did, I took the oats, blended it up and turned it into a powder, like a flour. Ooh. Right? And added the normal ingredients that you will add in a pizza into it to make the pizza dough.
So you made basically an oat flour.
I made basically an oat flour.
And which you form into a pizza dough.
Into a pizza dough.
Wow.
So, and it's very simple. I mean, and it's a change from all the, heavy, regular flour. You have a lot of people who are going very healthy.
Yes. Including me.
Trying. See? That's it. Oat flour. Oat flour.
Simple like that.
Simple like that. So we took that, put it into a bowl. I'm going to leave back a little so that. And to that, I added yeast and sugar, instant yeast.
Yeast and sugar. So you basically said making like a
dough. Like a normal dough. You treat it like if it's normal flour.
Wow.
Right? Some salt, a little black pepper. I have a little garlic. Right? A little Italian seasoning here. Some olive oil. And water. Now add your water a little at a time because you don't know how it's going to absorb, right? And you mix that into a soft boil. And you see, that's it.
Wow.
Right?
And you have a oat dough. Is there?
So I have what I'm going to make my pizza on here.
Chef.
What?
A tower?
Yes.
A tower. Chef, bring out the tower.
Yes, the big pizza.
Chef, you know what I see that?
No, you see a tower?
A tower, yeah.
But you always in the kitchen, how you mean?
No.
Which means you're not making no sada, you're not making...
Mom does make the bake, I think. So mom does make the bake.
Because I think you're afraid of flour a little bit.
I have a little flour
for Now, what you have to do now is you bake this. You can pre-bake it, if you so choose, for about 8 minutes or so.
Before you put
all of that on.
And so on.
But seeing as it's oats and it's not heavy flour with all that starch and stuff, we'll go straight ahead and put the item.
Right.
So what I also have here is a Shadon Beni Pesto. So we know pesto is normally made with
basil.
Right. Yeah. I like making it with Shadon Beni. It has all the other items that a basil pesto will have. It's just Shadon Beni. Right. And Shadon Beni for us is very easy to get.
All over the place.
All over the place. Your backyard, your neighbor backyard, right? I also have some roasted tomato.
Right, I was going to wonder if it's a pesto pizza, but you're doing some tomatoes as well.
Yeah, I'm doing
but
some.
But it's mainly a pesto sauce,
It's mainly a pesto sauce. That's the star ingredient in there. Right. And you want to preheat your oven at 350 degrees Celsius. And mozzarella cheese.
Any pepperoni?
No pepperoni. Now, if you're a meat lover, like Joel is, you could add your ham, your pepperoni, your sausage, anything you choose to add to it, you can add to it. Maybe some chicken cubes if you want to,
You treat it like a pizza. You treat it like you treat a pizza.
Pizza is just the base. Is a little more healthy.
Yeah.
For you.
So, Chef, this is fantastic because as I said, when people think oats, And a lot of people, as I said, getting into eating oats now.
Right.
For health reasons.
For health reasons.
As you said, they go to oat cookies.
Right.
They would just say, boil up the oats and
make a little quick
oats. This is a way to have oats, and also if you're feeling for a snack, feeling for pizza.
Right.
Homemade pizza.
And also enjoy it as well, because your food don't have to be boring.
Right. Even though it's healthy.
Even though it's healthy, it could be fun. Right? So let's see.
Look, it cut like a pizza, girl.
Of course it's a pizza. I don't know why you're saying it cutting like a pizza.
I thought it was pizza-like.
Wait.
Hey, Chef Shorts, you onto something here?
I feel so too. What do you think?
Are you onto something here?
That's yours.
The thing holding pizza, looking like a pizza.
Of course, look at that.
It looks like a pizza. It smells like a pizza.
Let's see if it tastes like a pizza.
We're seeing.
I feel we're really onto something here.
We're seeing. Oat flour.
Oat flour. Quick, easy. You don't have to go look for it in the supermarket. Just get your Quaker Oats, put it in your blender, and you have it there.
Another way to use oats. Star ingredient, as I said, Quaker Oats. Thanking the folks at Quaker Oats, making it possible today. Chef Cheryl showed us that we could also not just use oats the old traditional way. We could have it for snacks and make a pizza by making the oat flour.
Even your kids will love it.
And guess what? They've now brought out the new gluten-free line of Quaker Oats.
Right.
Yeah, further healthy.
Further healthy. Now, a lot of people may say that oats is already gluten-free.
Right.
It is. But however, there are some oats where they add different stuff to it, like barley and that kind of stuff, which takes away a little of it being total gluten-free. So Quaker Oats has made sure that it's
fully gluten-free.
Fully gluten-free.
Fully gluten-free. Thanking Quaker Oats for making it possible. Quaker Oats pesto pizza. Oh, what's up?
So good.
That's good.